Special birthday message to my father. The man who sacrificed many precious moments of his life. Wishing you good health always, Tatay Eben, and more years to come to celebrate. You're always there for us in every up, down, or in between. No words can express us the amount of good heart do you have. Happy birthday, Tatay Eben. Stay safe and I love you.
Hi, Tay! Happy birthday! Happy 71st birthday! Ang tatagaan pa kasi nung saktong panglawas. So, see you soon and God bless.
Hi, Tay! Happy birthday! Miss you and love you.
Hello, Tay. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Tay. See you soon. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Amping mo diha.
Ay, mayong buntag kaninyong duha ni nanay. Today is your natal day. Happy 72th birthday. Manghinat unta ko nga naka sa mayong lawas. Ug tay nay, salamat sa inyo sa pagpangga ninyo duha sa akong anak. Amping mo kanunay duha. I love you and I miss you. Hi tay, happy birthday. I hope na ma-enjoy ka ron sa amuang pakulo sa imong birthday. Many more birthdays to come. I love you tay. I miss you so much.
Hi, Tay! Happy birthday! Nauton ta nga happy ka sa imong birthday o bigan pang birthday nga mabuti nga nabuhi. Tay, hope nga happy ka kining gamay nga surpresa nga among ihatag sa imuha. Ug amping kanunay tay sa imong lawas. So kita na lang ta pohon tay. So I love you and I miss you. Bye-bye tay. Bye-bye.
Hi Tay, musta mo diha? Happy birthday. Amping mo diha, see you pohon.
Happy birthday, Tay! Happy birthday mo, no? Parang happy birthday mo na, Eben.
Hey, Tay! Happy birthday! Wish na ko nimo is unta, tagaan pa ka og maayong panglawas sa Ginoo ug taas nga kinabuhi. Unta nalipay ka sa among gamay nga sorpresa. Amping kanunay tay, love you. Mwah.